The unwillingness of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to criticize the Israeli Prime Minister in his recently 2-day visit to Israel is going to rob us and has robbed us of our neutrality. Iran is likely not to forget it, said the political analyst in the Daily Times of India. India currently, due to the Middle Eastern crisis, is facing problems at four major fronts. Number one is its immediate energy crisis. Number two is the remittances. Number three is the huge diaspora in the Gulf and Middle Eastern countries. And number four is the significance of that Iranian port for India that has now been restricted for India as far as its trades and goods is concerned. Due to these Middle Eastern crises, and now India and Israeli lobby is facing these problems, and the most immediate and the most alarming problem out of these four is the energy crisis, and more particular about the energy crisis, their LPG and LNG, that is the petroleum gas and liquefied natural gas importation in India. This prompted a huge scramble of the ordinary citizens of India that are now compelled to stockpile cylinders because there has been a panic that the LNG and LPG stockpiles in India have restricted or have decreased to a considerable amount due to the Middle Eastern crisis. India imports around 80 to 85% of liquefied petroleum gas for its daily consumption and domestic needs. Out of these 80 to 85%, around 60% of LPG passes or comes directly to India through Strait of Hormuz. The same Strait of Hormuz that has been banned for every other country except Pakistan, Russia, and China as far as the Iranian decision on this Strait of Hormuz is concerned. As far as the liquefied natural gas is concerned, around 25 million tons of LNG was imported solely in last year to meet its domestic and consumption needs, because Indian authorities tried to replace the biogas fuels to with LNG and LPG, and that's why that due to that very reason LPG and LNG are in greater demands. And now due to this ban or prevention of cargoes or trades in the Strait of Hormuz, India is suffering enormously and considerably as energy crisis and more particularly of LNG and LPG are creating alarming situations domestically for India. What is your opinion on this? That Indian authorities, or more importantly, their Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has actually deprived them of their neutrality by his friendly or apparently friendly visit to Israel? And what do you think would be the subsequent actions of Indian authorities to meet the consumption and domestic demands of LPG and LNG that is again restricted or prohibited from passing through the Strait of Hormuz eventually to India? We are eager to hear that or to have your opinions in the comment section below. Thank you.